guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Chevy guys, and we'll show you how to remove and replace fuel injectors. We'll show you guys on Chevy Cruze, but the same engine is actually used on Chevy Sonic as well guys. So please guys subscribe. We'll have more than 200 videos on this car and this engine alone. Our mission guys is to save you as much money as we can by teaching you guys how to fix your car for free. So let's go ahead and start on the process now. All the mechanical videos guys will be on this channel, and you can find electrical videos about this car and this engine on our new channel, Electrical Car Repair Live. Please guys give it a subscribe. So now in order to guys remove the fuel injectors, what you need to do, okay, you need to remove the fuel rail. Okay, this is your fuel rail right here, and this fuel rail is under enormous amount of pressure guys. So what will happen when you disconnect, okay, the fuel line, okay, the fuel line right here, you're going to spray fuel out. First, if the engine is hot or you have open flame spark somewhere, you can catch you or your car on fire. There is a way to decrease the risk guys, but you cannot eliminate it completely. You can remove the fuse, okay, in the fuse box for the fuel pump and start the car, okay, until it runs out of fuel. When it dies, most likely you don't have so much pressure in the fuel line. Also, there is a special tool that you can get, okay, to release the pressure out of the fuel line through here, through that valve. So we already started ours with the fuse out, ran out of fuel, and now we're going to show you how to disconnect the fuel line and remove the injectors now. So we'll be guys using a special tool here, okay, I'm going to show you in just a second, to remove that fuel line. So this is guys the fuel line. I would recommend to use eye protection, eyewear every time. So we need to remove that piece, then pull up a little bit, get it out, okay, just like that. Now I'll be using that tool. You need to find a tool, okay, you can find all the tools that we use guys listed in the description of the video below. Please check it out. Okay, and this tool will get, okay, right here. Now we need to push that line down and pull the tool up, push it up. Okay, check it out, like that. Now we can gently start removing it. Keep your hand here because you might spray fuel. Okay, perfect, just like that. So you can see we disconnected ours successfully now. What I'll be doing next, okay, we need to disconnect, okay, the injectors. And in order to disconnect the injectors, okay, let me show you now right here. Okay, on each injector you have a port. That metal piece, you need to push it up, and when you push it up at the same time, okay, you need to pull the wire up. Okay, this thing. Push in, pull out. So we'll be doing that for all 4 injectors. Okay, let me just grab it here with one hand now. With the right hand, because okay, left one is not so good, so we'll stay like that with the camera so you can see where the action is. Okay, and one more here that's a little bit hard to get to, so in some cases, okay guys, you might have to use a screwdriver. Let me grab one screwdriver quick. Okay, and disconnect this one as well. Okay, you can see all 4 injectors are disconnected now. So what we'll be doing now guys, okay, we need to get a torque sturdy socket, okay, like that, bit. Okay, and right here we have one screw and one screw over there, 2 screws that we need to remove. Okay, let me get this one in. Hopefully I don't drop it now. If that harness is in the way, I'm going to get a clip removal tool. Okay, like this one right here guys. Okay, let me just get it underneath. Okay, this one is out. Here you can open this for the fuel line, move it out of the way like that, and we can get a little bit more room now, and we don't need to worry about dropping things. Okay, now let's go ahead, get this one loose. Okay, and looks like, okay, I need to tap on this one a little bit because it has a little bit of paint inside of it. So, if it doesn't go in all the way, they will have red paint. This is for warranty, guys, or warranty issues. Okay, come on. What I'll do, okay, get it in, just tap on it to get all the way in. Okay, and after that they get loose pretty easy and they go by hand. So let me show you now how long that thing is. Okay, this is your bolt right here. So I'll leave it here not to lose it. Now we have one more on this side. Tap on this one. Okay, and you can see how easy they start going after that. Okay. Ah, I just dropped my bit here. Yep, I saw it. I'll just go ahead, get it quick, and we'll continue. Okay, so it's still down there. So I'm going to remove the bolt by hand. Okay, perfect. Now guys, what do we need to do? Okay, we need to grab the injectors, okay, and okay, let's come this way so you can see what's happening. Okay, and we need to pry them up a little bit. Okay. So it looks like they're about to come out all the way now. Okay, now right here guys, okay, we have one ground wire. Good thing you watch the video before you do it. Okay, let me show you now. This ground wire guys right here, okay, is attached down there with one nut, with one bolt that we need to remove. Okay, this is for the fuel injectors and you don't want to break that ground wire. So we'll need to go ahead and remove that one before we continue this one. Okay, most likely, okay, is with a reverse Torx. Okay, let me see which one will fit here now. I think it looks like it's the same size like this one's here. So this one will fit really good. Okay, reverse Torx 10. Check out all the tools and parts that we guys listed in the description of the video below. So it's actually guys Torx 12. Now, okay, it's a little bit bigger than this boat. Okay, once I remove it, I'm going to show you exactly where it is. Okay, you can, okay, with the tool installed, check out where the bolt is. Okay, this one right there. So I'm going to go ahead, okay, remove this one now. Pretty big bolt. Okay, this is part of the intake as well. Okay, you have to be careful now not to drop that bolt, since I'm on the road to drop things today. Okay, this is it. This is the bolt right here, guys. Now let's see if actually that injector, okay, if all that will come out or we have anything else, okay, holding in the way. I'm going to disconnect, okay, this clip right here. Okay, so let me get in. Perfect. Okay, just like that. Now all that should come out, guys, unless I have something else now holding in the way. And it looks like on this side, we have that vacuum hose here that is definitely pushing on it a little bit. Not so much, but a little bit. What I'll try to do to disconnect this wiring harness, pull it this way and see if it's going to give me some room to come out of there. Because those are very, very long injectors actually, guys. And that ground cable, even though the bolt is removed, you still need to pull it out of the intake because it's holding a little bit there. Okay, great. And now we should be able to slide through here, guys. And get the fuel injectors, you can see, guys, out of the way. Now we will show you how to replace each one of them. Okay, guys, we're going to get a vacuum now, and we need to vacuum the holes for the fuel injectors. Because you can see all that is sand and dust, and you don't want that to go in the engine, so we need to vacuum it before we install the injectors. Okay, perfect. Now, those are, guys, the fuel injectors. And let me show you guys, how we're going to replace those things. So, what we need to do now, I will explain on one of them, but the procedure is the same for all of them. First, guys, you need to remove that piece here. That piece needs to be removed. So, how you do that, you just spread it a little bit on both sides. Pull it out, like that. Now you grab your fuel injector, turn it, you have some fuel coming out, and this is, guys, the fuel injector. So all we have to do from that point on, just put everything together in reverse order we took it apart. You also, guys, I'm going to show you, stay with us, it's very important. You need to apply oil on the seals and show you how we'll get them in. So we need to get a little bit of engine oil, or white lithium grease, apply a little bit on the seal, guys, on the top seal. Now it's going to go in super nice and smooth. Let me show you. How easy it's going to go in. Now, you can see that thing, needs to match with this one here. That's the angle of the, of the fuel injector. And then we need to install that safety lock, in place. Like that, it holds it only in one angle. Now you need to clean all the seals on the other injectors. So that's how you guys remove the fuel injectors and the fuel rail. So you grab a little bit of oil again. And you're going to apply oil to each one of those seals, guys. Because if you do not have oil, what's going to happen? They will not go in, on the intake. Perfect. Now, let's go inside the engine compartment and show you how we're going to put them together. Here you need to feed them under the wires. Need to align everything super nice, so you don't push. Right here we have that bracket that we need to go underneath. Now let me show you how they're in, and I'm going to push on them now. Right here you can see I got them in the holes, and when you push on them, I need to grab it with two hands, so let's have somebody hold the camera like that. You need to start pushing on each side, careful here with your... on this side it went in. Now all I have to do is this side, right here, and you kind of like need to go a little bit on each side. Okay, and I'm all the way in. You can see we're ready to install the bolts, put the fuel line ladder together, and everything else is in reverse order, guys. We took it apart. So thank you for watching. See you guys next time.